guess what it is time for? It is time for my Dollar Tree haul. I am pretty excited to show you guys what I got. I was on a hunt for the past week, and while you're on a hunt, you find other things. So I'm here to show you guys what I got. I got a lot of stuff. Husband was with me 1 or 2 times, so I'm here to show you guys what I got. Now, if you guys haven't already, you guys should start finding these at your Dollar Tree. I know they will sell out fast. Can you just wait a second? Okay.
I'm looking some snacks.
Just let me show everybody. So these are $1. If you guys saw my Dollar Tree video I did last night, or the night before, I guess you guys are watching this on Saturday, you guys would have saw that I found these at the Dollar Tree. I got a bunch of them because I plan on giving them as gifts. Husband took them out, was excited to use that. Ben, bring those back so I can show everybody. So, if you guys can try get one of these, get them. They do come in pink, and I heard some of the pink ones have the cuticle oil. I'm saying that correctly this time, cuticle oil. So I was pretty excited to try these. I got 18 of these because I plan on giving them as gifts. A lady saw me have them in my hand, and then she's like, "Can you stop?" She's like, "Where'd you get those?" And then she's like, "Don't take all of them off the shelf." I says, "I'm not taking them all off the shelf, but definitely check this out. This is worth $36 at Target, $25 at Walmart, $9 on Amazon. I think it's like 20-something at Best Buy. I don't know where other places you can get this, but that is awesome, awesome deal. We are doing a Easter egg hunt with a friend of ours and her kids. And we're going to do like outdoor eggs. I might make a video of it, but I have little goodies to put inside their inside the eggs. So we got some stamps. There's 8 packs of stamps. I got some little adorable rabbit erasers. Ben, don't open those. Those are for Saturday. I got some other kind of Easter erasers. I got some gummy rings with the bunny on it. We got Easter pretzel eggs, so it's like a milk chocolate with pretzels in it. I thought those sound really good. We got carrots chocolate. My son has already helped himself to one of them already. He was trying to get it in there, but we got that for him. I got just regular milk chocolate Easter eggs. And then we got peanut butter Easter eggs. So we're going to be putting those.
I like these.
You like those? We're going to be putting those all in a little couple different eggs and having them all around the yard. We're doing it a different day, not on Easter. So I'm pretty excited to share those with the kids. I needed Easter grass for a DIY that I'm actually working on today. So I wanted to do this video and then get this done with, but I like the way this is, and whatever grass I don't use we'll be using for Ben's Easter basket. So we got that. I found more ribbon. Anytime I find more of this ribbon, don't open those, honey.
Why?
Because they're for our Easter thing. Every time I find more ribbon, I have to get more. So I got 2 pinks and a turquoise.
Mommy, these are not for Easter thing.
Yeah, they are for the Easter thing.
No.
Okay. I found this book. Now, I don't know if I want to read it. Otherwise, I know somebody who will. But I think it's super cute. I think these dolls are super cute. It's the Ever High After dolls. And I saw this book, and I was kind of looking at it, and it's pink. It's pink and purple. And I'm just like, I know this is probably a little too young for me. But I thought, you know what? I might read it. I think it's kind of cute. It's a wonderful, wonderlandful world. If it's about Alice in Wonderland, I am obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. I want an Alice in Wonderland themed room, but I thought this book would be super cute, and if I don't like it, I know a girl who would read it, so can't go wrong with this. This is the only book they had of this series, but it looks like there's 2 other books also, so I'm on a hunt to find those other ones, but could not go wrong with that. I found the cuticle oil separately. I just got 3 of these. These do expire this year, so there's probably that one reason why they might be getting rid of them, but I got 3 of them. 3 of the cuticle oils. Could not pass those up. I found this pen. and I'm like, this pen is awesome. I'm always losing stuff, and I thought this pen would be good just to have around the house. It looks so cute. It's like that rose gold, and then it's got the purple jewel to it. I thought this is super cute, and it actually like holds up really well. So I got this so I could, you know, pretend I'm more of a princess when I write. I ended up getting a green candle and a blue candle. I am decorating my mantle, and I just thought it'd be cute to have a little bit more candles. I don't plan on lighting these. I just want them for my decoration. So I will be doing a video soon of that with all of my, with me decorating up for Easter. You guys enjoyed the Valentine's Day one, so I'll be doing that. I ended up getting this like silicone strainer because I always am like taking my rings sometimes off in the sink, and I'm afraid it's going to fall down. And I really like it how it's silicone, and in case I ever drop anything down the sink, we got it protected so I don't have to do that. And it's so much easier just to lift this up than digging out of the sink for that. So I got one of these, and if I really do like it, I'm going to get it for the other side of the sink since we have a double sink. I found this spatula. I think it's kind of cool. How it's got like a tip here, and then I didn't realize it until after I was at the checkouts that it's a double spatula. So I thought this is great. It's like a perfect size for what I need it for when I'm doing, like, if I'm digging out of something, I can grab it a little bit easier. So if I really like this, I'm probably gonna get another one because I really like that. I ended up getting, that's something I'm going to do later. I ended up getting more of these egg forms. I got 3 of them because I plan on doing some DIYs with these, and you guys are going to be seeing some DIYs with these in the near future. I have a summer one I want to do, I have an Easter one I'm going to do, and then I might figure it out, but I just want to have the forms in case I need it, and I'm like, oh man, I missed it. So be prepared to see a lot DIYs with this stuff. I'm excited to share that stuff with you. Now, I saw this sign when I was shopping at the store, and I'm like, I wish I got it, but then I'm like, but then I found it again, and I'm not really into signs as much for like everyday thing, but this says sweet child of mine, and I call Ben that all the time. He's my sweet, sweet child. And I thought this would be perfect. I don't know if I'm going to put it where I'm going to put it. I might just put it on, we have a little bookcase upstairs in our little hallway, and I thought this might be cute just to put there with all of our pictures of us as a family. So I thought this was super cute, and I like it. It kind of goes with my furniture, but I like it. I ended up getting some different kind of grass. I originally was going to use this grass, but then I found this grass at another store, but I'm still going to use this for some DIYs. I found some like porcelain Easter bunnies. They got the gold ears. I'm not a big fan of what they look like. I might paint them. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I thought these would be really cute to put on my mantle also for, you know, Easter. They're not like the greatest quality. There's like some flaws in it, but I couldn't go wrong with a buck. And I think these were super, super cute. So I pretty much got everything now I want for my my banner. We are having a rummage sale this summer, or this fall. I'm going to start preparing for that. So I am getting a bunch of stickers. There's 420 stickers. Depends on, I don't know how many more I need, but I'm going to start figuring out prices and start marking down. And then I also got the big tags because I'm going to sell like some bulky items. So I thought, why not put some tags on there? So there's 30 pieces of here. These are not stickers, they're just regular sheets. So I couldn't go wrong with that. So I'll be getting more. I needed a wire cutter. I don't know how well this wire cutter does. I've been borrowing my husband's, but I'm excited to see if this actually works. I just want it to cut ribbon and to cut pipe cleaner because I've been using my scissors, and I realize I shouldn't be doing my scissors because I'm making them super dull, but I'm going to see if this cuts pipe cleaner. And then I was super excited to find these. I saw somebody like shop with them somewhere, and I'm like, I gotta have these. I think they're super cute. They are the little clipboards. And what I like about these is I can keep one in my car, and if I need to jot a note down, I got something hard to write on, and I don't have to worry about like looking for a pad and paper. So I plan on putting these in our vehicles. These are what the designs look like on them, and then they do come with a pen, but I thought this is super cute and it's practical. It's nice to have a notebook in our car. I found these also. It's again a notepad and a notebook. I thought these were super cute. This has got like some flowers and stuff on it. I'm not a big fan of the design. It's not really my style, but I could not pass up the clipboard. So depending on where I need a clipboard at, we got that. We bought 4 of these. My son wanted to play with one, but I'm a person who stocks up on birthday presents or gifts. We have like a tote. We actually have 2 totes of future gifts. So if we're ever invited to a birthday party, then we need something last minute, or we see something, or there's something where, you know, donate a toy. We got toys to donate, and I thought these were really great. Husband looked these up. I can't remember what he said the price was for these on Amazon, but you know what? You can't go wrong with these. We got like Whisper, Jimmy Bayon or whatever, Kushan, I don't even know, Komo-san. And there was a 4th one, but my son wanted to play it because he turns into a car. So thought those would be great to use for future presents. I got more. I know, I went crazy. Now, we always have birthday parties and stuff, and when I was a kid, we always had a happy birthday window cling, and I don't have any, and I always like to decorate my windows with window clings. Like, I think I need a box just to put window clings in of all the seasons. I think I'm going to start doing that. I'm going to get like a flat box and just put window clings in there so we can decorate things as it goes. But I thought this was super cute. This was over in the school section, but it just says happy birthday. It's got presents and cupcakes and balloons, so I could not pass that up. That's great. And husband's birthday's coming up soon, so I like to surprise him. I got this glitter sand kit. I thought this would be a great project to work with Ben to see if, you know, if he can pour stuff in. He might be a little too young for this, but I thought this would be super cute to work on. It's just 1 kit, and for $1, you can't go wrong with that. It does say there's 3 bags of sand, even though the cover shows that there's 4. It's hard to say. It's like taped shut, but I see blue. I see, yeah, that's false advertising, but whatever. I'm not going to complain. I got this notepad. It said stuff to do. I kind of want to put some notepads on my fridge. I do have stuff, but this is just like a to-do list. My husband always makes a to-do list of stuff he wants to do, and I thought, you know what, this is perfect size for him of stuff to do, and there's little bulletins on there, so he always makes his lists. I've been really wanting to color lately. I need as much stuff that I can do to sit back and relax. Now with the nicer weather out, it's a little bit of a different story, but I thought these would be super cute to work on. So I ended up getting the patterns coloring book. Now I really like it that they're already kind of pre-colored, and I really like these designs. I'm like really obsessed with this turquoise color, so I thought, you know, this would be a great, nice, relaxing thing for me to do some night when I'm just bored and I'm watching a movie, is color. So the patterns one was what I really found. And then I'm not a big fan of flowers, but I had to get the flowers one because those were all colored too, and I like to fill in things. I'm constantly always filling in things, so I had to get that. And these were like my very first real, true coloring books I found. Like, the ones they've had have been really cheap, and I haven't found any of the good quality ones, so I wanted to get this one. This one is Alice in Wonderland. Now, you guys remember me saying I am obsessed with Alice in Wonderland. This book was originally $13.85. I don't know where it came from, but it was then it was marked down to $9.76. I got this at the Dollar Tree. But it's Alice in Wonderland, and I'm sorry, I'm like all over the place. This one's a little bit more detailed, but I thought some of these would be super cute just to color in. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of Alice in Wonderland, so I thought, you know what, I'm gonna try it. It's not like the exact print I want, but I can't go wrong for $1, and like I said, I want to start relaxing and do a little bit more things. And then I got more stuff. This is my last big. I found this. This is another coloring book. This is it's Amazon. It has a whole bunch of, like, you know, wildlife, and they got the pictures on the back. And it does come with the pencils, and it comes with this a pencil sharpener. I thought this is super cute. This was originally $12.99 at wherever it was sold. But for $1, you can't go wrong with this. I like it. I like it how it's a little case, so if I ever need to go somewhere, I can just bring it with me. I found some glittered eggs. I'm trying to finish, oh, there's a really bad spot on here. I'm trying to finish a wreath, and I thought this would be kind of cute. It would go with it, so I got some glittered eggs. And then I got, I think that is it. That is it. I know, my Dollar Tree went crazy. I got some weekly menus. I kind of want to, in the future, I kind of want to start prepping for meals. It's hard because my husband works second shift, so it's just Ben and I, and Ben doesn't really eat what I want, but eventually I want to kind of make a weekly menu of certain meals that we want to make so we can get the get the groceries for it. And then there's lists to do. So there's that one I got, and then I got food. In case I want to go grocery shopping, we can just put all the food categories in here. I thought this was pretty cute. This is 60 sheets. So like when we go grocery shopping, we can, instead of me like, okay, what else do we got? What else do we got? We can kind of just shop by section. And then I got a weekly goals. I'm really bad at goals. Like I have goals that I want to do around the house and I never do it. So I'm trying to just be, you know, focused on doing stuff. So this is goals to do and priority. So I'm kind of doing that. You know, I'm setting a goal a week, and why not, you know, just having it written down. So I was really excited to find these. I found them at a couple locations, but I'm going to see what the husband likes, and if I want to, I'm going to get more. But that was my haul. It wasn't a lot of DIY stuff. A lot of it was just for me and for relaxing and getting prepared for whenever I get pregnant. A lot of you guys have helped me out by input, but I'm just taking it day by day. I'm at the point where I just don't care anymore. So we'll see where it takes me on that. But if you guys enjoyed my Dollar Tree Saturday is what I'm going to call it, please give this video a thumbs up. I know you guys really enjoy my Dollar Tree hauls to see what I get. I'm excited to show you guys what I get. So there is that. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. Thumbs up this video, and I will see you guys all next Saturday. See you guys later. Bye-bye.